as Bengalese Bangabandhu's speech at the United Nations Assembly is a matter of great pride for us. On September 25, 1974, Bangabandhu delivered his historic speech during the 29th session of the United Nations General Assembly, just a week after Bangladesh became a member of the UN. The President of the UN welcomed Bangabandhu, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, to address the General Assembly. He started his speech by saying, "Today, as I stand before this assembly, I share with you profound satisfaction that the 75 million people of Bangladesh are now represented in this Parliament of Man." This speech is remarkable in the history of Bangladesh for primarily two reasons. Firstly, it marked the first time a speech was delivered in Bangla at the UN. Secondly, it introduced fresh ideas and policies aimed at building a brave new world, free of economic inequalities, social injustice, military aggression, and threats of nuclear war.